If you want to track your conversions more accurately and improve your ad performance, importing data from Google Analytics 4 into Google Ads is a very important step. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to import GA4 Conversions into Google Ads in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This helps you measure actions like purchases, signups, or form submissions, and use that data to optimize your campaigns. First, make sure your GA4 account is already set up and tracking events on your website. Without this, you won't be able to import any conversions. Start by linking your GA4 property with your Google Ads account. Go to your Google Ads dashboard, click on Tools and Settings, then find Linked Accounts. From there, select Google Analytics and choose your GA4 property. Click Link and make sure auto tagging is enabled. This connection allows both platforms to share data properly. Next, go to your GA4 account. Click on Admin, then under the Property column, select Events. Here you will see a list of all tracked events. Identify the event you want to use as a conversion, such as a purchase or form submission. Turn on the Mark as Conversion option for that event. Once your conversion event is ready in GA4, go back to Google Ads. Again, open Tools and Settings, then click on Conversions. Now click on New Conversion Action. Choose Import, then select Google Analytics 4 properties. You will now see a list of available events from your GA4 account. Select the conversion events you marked earlier and click Import and Continue. After importing, these conversions will start appearing in your Google Ads reports. Now it is important to review your conversion settings. Open the imported conversion action and check details like conversion value, counting method, and attribution model. For beginners, you can keep the default settings, but understanding these options will help you optimize later. Also, make sure your conversion tracking is working correctly by checking the status column. It may take a few hours or even a day for data to start showing. One more important tip is to use consistent naming for your events and conversions. This makes it easier to manage and analyze your data, especially when you scale your campaigns. Also, avoid importing unnecessary events, as too much data can make optimization confusing. In simple terms, importing GA4 conversions into Google Ads involves linking both accounts, marking events as conversions in GA4, and then importing those events into Google Ads. Once set up, this allows you to track real user actions and improve your ad performance based on accurate data. If this tutorial helped you understand the process, keep following for more beginner-friendly guides that make Google Ads and analytics simple to use.